Yep, so I'm Tanya. I work on the EYE-2 project as the Patient and Public Involvement Lead. I work at a foundation called the McPin Foundation, which is a charity which supports lived experience expertise in all aspects of research to improve outcomes for mental health. I think this has been a great study to be the PPI coordinator on, not only because the team have been fantastic to work in, particularly the PPI leads that we're working with, but also in a randomised control trial, it's often quite difficult to get really good patient and public involvement. It can be quite advisory group based, but in EYE-2 we've been able to really facilitate embedding patient and public involvement right across the study, from intervention delivery in the social groups, actually having lived experience deliver part of the intervention, but also through to the advisory type role for the LEAPs. We've been involved in co-writing outcome measures reports, co-writing a data collection tool that's, we're going to hopefully publish in the future. So I think it's just been fantastic to be in a trial that has put patient and public involvement so much at the forefront. I think in terms of both the website and the booklets, number one, you can see from the language. I think the language is much more accessible to a general audience and to the people who are going to be using the service. And not just accessible, but engaging. People want to read the booklets, they want to learn from the booklets, and they want to know about the service. I think in terms of accessibility as well, having lived experience has changed things like the colours, the fonts, the images to make sure they're all, better and engaging for people who are going to be using the service. I think the EYE-2 project is a fantastic example of how you can do good patient and public involvement in a randomised control trial. You don't have to just do an advisory group, you can co-produce, you can involve, you can embed patient and public involvement, and I think it's just a fantastic example of how you can do that.